welcome back to Velours Designs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about letters and how to put elements in it that can make it longer and more enjoyable for the reader of your letter. So I hope this video encourages you guys to send letters this season and throughout next year, 2022, because we're all in need of a lot of encouragement. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button if you like this video. Okay, so let's stay in touch. This is how to write a good letter. Some of the reasons why you should step up your writing letter game is that we shouldn't be receiving boring letters from each other. Receiving a letter brings life to someone's life, and we need to let the people we know that we love them. Things to keep in mind is who you're writing to, just different things about them. Are they minimalist? Are they chic? Do they love particular flower color, hobbies, all sorts of things. And then what kind of relationship you have. Is it deep? Is it just informative? Is it silly? And you need to write accordingly. And then why you're writing, just to stay in touch, or is it to encourage? Then we're going to talk about how do we structure our letter. The first part is the greeting. You can usually start with dear. That's a very popular one, but you can say, hey, dude, just their name. So very simple and straightforward. Then you're going to state your relationship right then. I miss you. It was nice seeing you. I've been thinking of you. So for example, then you're going to inquire or show interest. How are you? Are you feeling better? How are you doing with this particular thing? Asking something as a question really helps bring the letter alive. And then you're gonna make some sort of an acknowledgement. So I'm gonna acknowledge that my sister wasn't feeling good last I heard, so I'm gonna acknowledge that. Acknowledgement can be a condolence, some sort of praise, a congratulation. I'm so excited for you. The reason for this is a letter should not be one-sided. It should be just as much about the other person as it is about your own life. So last time I was with my sister, she told me about her garden, and so I acknowledged that. Then you're going to write 2 to 3 paragraphs about what's happening in your own life, and all of your paragraphs should be at least 2 sentences, if not longer. These paragraphs are going to make the bulk of your letter. Then you're going to include wishes, hopes, and prayers or blessings over the person that you're writing to, just to let them know that you really care about their life. And then you're going to state what you hope for the future in your relationship. So I look forward to seeing you. We should get together. Those sort of things. And then you're going to do a little tiny short farewell, like love you so much, see you, write soon, that sort of thing. And you can sign it however you like. Your name, peace out, some initials. I just did love Katie. So follow these steps and let's start writing some good letters. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're interested in printing your own cards, I have some of my designs. You can find them in the link below and print them off yourself. I also have some journal designs that I have over on Amazon Books, and you can have them printed out and sent to you, and you can get these for people as gifts. They're a 1-month journal with daily task spot like that, and a meal plan at the beginning of each week and stuff like that. So if you're interested in those as gifts, check out the link below. There are several links, I'll have them explained. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a happy holiday season. Bye.